Our solution works with two main technologies. On the one hand, we have image recognition, as I said before. What happens when we use image recognition? At first, we have the physical packaging. This may look whatsoever. This can be a yogurt lid as displayed here. It can be a bottle. It can be a flow pack. The physical outlines do not matter at all. We can use all of it. What we do in the background is we take an image and put it into our database. Afterwards, we define the content in the content management system, which results, which you will see in a second, into a machine readable, via a mobile phone readable content, which is displayed on whatever the physical package may look like. Furthermore, all of this, the image recognition and the defining of the content is done in a content management system, so completely online, and also, which is a great thing, you do not have to be a technician, you don't have to be tech savvy to use the content management system. The content management system, as said before, is simply a web platform which you can log in. I will show you in the live demonstration as well. You can log into, you have all the projects you are maintaining on the left-hand side, and then you can create the content which may look whatsoever. You can see it is online accessible. You have all the projects, you have all the reporting data, you can maintain user rights, and here you define the content itself. Furthermore, than only image recognition, our solution also works with digital watermarking. Digital watermarking, as being said before, is barcodes printed all over the packaging, but they are not visible anymore. This opens up to completely new use cases, such as anti-counterfeiting, anti-mixing, or the separation of really similar looking or completely alike looking designs and artworks. So this gives a really huge variety of use cases for our application. So this more or less looks like that. We have the physical packaging with a binary code, and there through printing are added together and into the final product. So you will have the exact same look of the product, but it has now a binary code implemented, which is readable for mobile devices. All right, our module 2 is what we call the content we already created. What is important to mention here is, we will show you in a second how this content looks like. There is no limit to imagination here. We can implement every solution out there, which can either be videos, promotion actions, interactions, trial actions, and even more. We have very powerful graphical elements, which you can show, which we will show you in a second. The third module is the data management. This is really important for a performance tracking and to know who used the application, when, how often, and where. So all these reliable information which are really important for performance marketing are stored in the back end and can be accessed also through the content management system. Also, the personal information about consumers can be accessed here, so which we'll show you in a second. All right. Okay. All right. So this is an example of a sample report which you can create in the background. There's also no limitations to